will share. Hello at welcome back dito sa akin channel. So for this video, I will be teaching you how to play All My Life by America on a ukulele. So requested song po ito ng YouTube name na NLRAXX. So salamat sa pag-request ng kanta. So first, grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. Let's begin. So, tayo sa chords ng verse. So, first na chord ay E. Next ay F sharp minor. Next ito ay A. So, from F sharp minor, kunin nyo lang itong finger nito, yung ring finger. A. Next ay A minor. Ito namang index finger, kunin nyo. Next ay A major 7. So dito, dalawa. G sharp minor. Next ay balik sa F sharp minor. Okay, so yun ang chords ng verse. Then for the strumming pattern, pwede lang ganito. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All my life, without a doubt, I gave you all my life, now and forever till the day I die. You and I will share all the things this changing world can offer. And so I sing, I'll be happy just to stay this way, spend each day with you. Next ay chords ng chorus. So sa chorus ay A, then B, G sharp minor, then C sharp 7, then next ito ay F sharp minor, B, then E, then E7, then back na naman sa A, then B, G sharp minor, C sharp 7, F sharp minor, B, then after ng B ay D, then A. There was a time that I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along, then the sun did shine, started on my way. I recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. I would have passed away, would have passed away, I would have passed away. Then sa adlib ay E, B minor, A, then A minor, G sharp minor, C sharp minor, then F sharp minor, then B. I recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. I would have passed away, would have passed away. I would have passed away. So yun ang verse, chorus, then ad-lib. Then ang last part ng kanta, so after nitong ad-lib ay balik sa verse na naman, then chorus, then last part. Sa last part ay D, A, E. Okay? So balik tayo sa chorus, then pasok tayo sa last part. I recall that every moment spent was wasted time, but then I chose to lay it on the line. I want this all my life. 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 So, yun ang kantang All My Life by America. So, salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.